Hey, good morning. So it's March 11th. My calculations is I've been out here for 19 days and I'm getting my morning cardio in, going up to Cheoah Bald, which I'm pretty excited about. It's supposed to be some really nice views, and it's still a ways to go, but I am excited. Alex and Lola's behind me. I think they're excited too. We're just not talking much. So, we'll talk more. Got several nice little downhills today. So, we'll save our talking for that. Y'all be good. Welcome to Cheoah Bald. 5,064 feet or something like that. And you got a beautiful 360 degree, what do you call it? Panoramic view. Look at that. What's this? Was it worth the trip up here?
Oh yeah.
Should have come last night, right?
Yeah.
There you go. That's 360 degrees and that's cool. That's so cool. Huh. Sideways. Woo! Cheoah Bald. Hey, it's beautiful out here. It's like a nice spring day. I've not at lunch yet. I've hit 2 peaks over 5,000 foot, and still feeling pretty good. Doesn't sound like it, but I'm on a little slight incline right now. This wind's blowing, nice little breeze. It's in the low 70s, and oh, life is good. Life is good. I'm gonna get up this hill here, and then I'll find me a place to do a little lunch. So I'll see y'all in a minute. So many of the trees out here get old and fall over. Now that, my friends, that tree's got good roots. Look at that. It's still hanging on. There's hardly anything you can see through it. And it is still hanging on. That's what we all want in our families. Good roots like that. Look there. Isn't that so cool? It's there. We should all be so fortunate. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe below and you can continue the journey with me.